Qualcomm thinks this new always-on camera feature will enable new use cases. I mean, it's really funny they are assuming it. It has a feature like being able to unlock your phone without having it picked up or having it instantly lock when it no longer sees you. But I am not convinced, and I don't think so any of us will be convinced for this feature. So if you want to know more about this, make sure to check out the description. The article will be linked below. Bangalore-based startup Bounce showcased its first electronic scooter at as low as 36,000 rupees, featuring a swappable battery, tubular frame, hydraulic telescopic front suspension, and twin shock absorber at the rear, also emphasizing on networking as discharged batteries could be swapped at nearby swapping stations. Microsoft is starting to roll out its new Office UI to all the users this week, with some subtle tweaks to the buttons throughout the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Well, the changes are subtle, but we can expect some huge changes from the Office in the next year. Google's long-rumored smartwatch, the Google Pixel Watch, may finally arrive in 2022. Well. Pixel Watch's code name is Rohan. You may know another person whose name is just similar to what the code name is. I mean, it's me. So it's a great news for me. So I thought, why not tell it to you as well? I guess it's hackathon time. So this hackathon is 48 hours long, organized by IIT Vadodara, starts on December 10th and it ends on December 12th. I mean, that is what 48 hours means, but I am letting you know. Hackasoul 2.0 is an annual pan-India hackathon organized by the collaboration of Tech for Good, the Society of Coders, the Students Activity Center, even IIT Naya Raipur. Also, the final date of idea submission is 12th of December, so if you want to know more about this, make sure to check out the description. Every article will be linked below, but if you want me to cover some other topics, then make sure to comment down below, and obviously you can check out our Instagram handle